We will now create a PDF of all 7 sheets in this manual via the Print Organizer, which is a new process in ORD. For this exercise, keep the signature sheet DGN file open. In general, the Print Organizer should be used to plot all sheets, as you will no longer use iPlot, nor will you have individual .sht files. However, the file print option is still available to print individual sheets or fenced areas within the drawing window as necessary. The key will be to select the applicable TDOT print style. All sheets are stored within the DGN workset file, which has a .dgnws extension. This file was created when the 123456.00 initials workset was created at the beginning of the manual. This workset would be used throughout a given project across all project phases. In other words, you would not need a new workset for the right-of-way and construction phases, but rather continue adding any additional sheet models to this sheet index under the 123456.00 initial workset, making sure the model name is unique. You cannot add the same sheet model twice to a sheet index if it has already been added. The sheet index does not need to be opened for editing in order to use the Print Organizer. The only requirement is that you have a DGN file open that is tied to the workset that contains the sheets you want to print. For example, we could have opened the title sheet DGN file or the fundamentals exercises DGN file and initiated the Print Organizer. To add all created sheets within the sheet index to the Print Organizer, you can either select the workset and then open the Print Organizer, or bypass the selection and just open the Print Organizer. In addition to printing all sheets, you have the option to print single sheets or specific subfolders through the Print Organizer. If you want to print specific subfolders but not all, you must select the subfolders prior to opening the Print Organizer. For this exercise, select the 123456.00 initials workset and click the Print Organizer icon. This will open the Select Print Style window. Currently, 2 new print styles have been set up for TDOT projects in ORD: TDOT PDF and TDOT PDF Color. These are both full-size print styles, so 34 inches by 22 inches, which is the TDOT plan submittal requirement. There will not be any half-size print styles set up within ORD. For this exercise, select the TDOT PDF print style, which is black and white. Notice that the Print Organizer window now opens. The same sheet index folder structure can be seen on the left side. Any subfolders that contain sheets will have an arrow next to the folder. You could select an individual sheet here if you wanted to. Remember, I mentioned that if you wanted to print specific subfolders, you needed to select them prior to opening the Print Organizer. Notice that you cannot select more than one subfolder here. For this exercise, we will create a PDF of all 7 sheets tied to the workset. So select the Plan Set folder on the right side and then click File Print. Or you can click the printer icon here. This will open the print window. Notice under Print Driver Configuration that the print style is automatically linked to the TDOT PDF Full Plot Configuration file, which has been revised to work properly in ORD. Keep the print range set to selection, and then notice by default, the Submit As option is set to single print job. We will keep that option set to create one overall PDF. You could, however, select separate print jobs if you want to create an individual PDF for each sheet. Also, by default, the destination folder is linked to the Out subfolder within your workset that was created at the beginning of the manual. For this exercise, we will leave the file path alone and name the PDF 123456.00_preliminary. But you could browse to any location on your computer to save the file. Toggle on the Open Print File After Creation option, and then click OK, and give the software some time to create the PDF. Once completed, examine the 7-page PDF and notice that the sheets are in correct order. There should be a signature sheet, a title sheet, one roadway quantity sheet, one typical sections and payment schedule sheet, one general notes sheet, and 2 proposed layout sheets. Also, notice the lower left corner of each sheet that the date and timestamp have both automatically populated. This completes the creation of the PDF. Go ahead and close the PDF file and return to ORD and close the print organizer.